You'll be amazed at how much you can do on your smartphone nowadays, and we don't just mean taking pictures and spending hours on social media. There is good money to be made on your device, and in our latest video we'll tell you about 25 ways you can make either a bit of money on the side or a good income if you put in the time and effort. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we post new videos on how to make money and give yourself a better life. In the past we've talked about sites like Swagbag, Inbox Dollar, Mechanical Turk, Survey Junkies, so there's no need to go over these again. So the 25 apps and sites we're going to share with you today might be ones you've never heard of. Let us know of any more in the comments below. So let's get going. Number 1. MyPoints. MyPoints is a sister site to Swagbags. The earning options are identical, but the award options can be different. For example, you might earn 1,000 points from MyPoints and only 500 points from Swagbags for an activity, or MyPoints might give you a gift card sale when Swagbag doesn't. 2. Instagc. If you want to earn gift cards, Instagc can be a good option. You make most of the money taking surveys, but you can also make money by watching videos, shopping online and playing games. There are more than 360 gift card options to choose from, and all the gift cards are digital, so you receive them instantly. 3. Vindale Research. For another survey site with daily options, look at Vindale Research. You will get paid up to $75 for every survey completed. You can also earn additional cash by watching videos and leaving feedback, plus looking for special Vindale codes on select websites lets you earn cash too. Vindale pays all its members in PayPal cash or paper check. Once your account reaches $50, you can request instant payments. 4. Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost lets you earn cash or gift cards by taking surveys. As an added bonus, you enter into a quarterly $10,000 cash prize drawing with each survey you complete. You will be able to complete surveys on a variety of topics, so at least you won't get bored. 5. Ipsos ISA. Ipsos ISA is one of the oldest online survey communities. You will earn points by taking paid surveys and user-generated polls. At the end of each year you also earn loyalty bonuses, so loyalty has its benefits with Ipsos ISA. With Ipsos your points are good for gift cards or contest drawings. 6. Tallulah. Another large survey community with a global presence is Tallulah. In addition to taking surveys, you also get paid to test products. You can also earn extra points by engaging in user forums for fun. You can also play games against other Tallulah members. 7. Mindswarms. Not every survey is text-based, where you must click the radio button ranging from 1 to 10 to leave your opinion. Mindswarm is a video-based survey platform that pays you $50 PayPal cash. To get paid, record a 10-minute video response to test the product. Potentially, you could earn up to $300 an hour. Panel Payday. Panel Payday will connect you with paid survey panels and mystery shopping jobs. With Panel Payday, you can earn up to $75 per survey. You can also make money with Panel Payday by online surveys, focus groups, discussion groups, mystery shopping, and online mini-jobs. If you do a mini-job, you can earn over $150 per job. As a new Panel Payday user, you will also earn a $25 bonus. To earn the bonus, you only have to take the first survey. Harris Poll Online. Harris Poll Online is one of the oldest survey companies around. Government, non-profits and household brands partner with Harris to get your opinion. With each survey you earn points for cash or gift cards. To earn extra points, you can also share your shopping purchases with Harris Shop Tracker program. With Shop Tracker, you tell what you buy each month to earn points. 10. iBotter. iBotter is a mobile app that helps you earn cashback every time you visit a shop. Before you check out, activate the cashback offers within the app. With iBotter, you can get cashback at nearly any grocery store in the US. Plus, the app also works at discount stores like Walmart and Target. 11. Paribus. It doesn't get any easier to make money shopping than with Paribus. All you have to do is link your email or Amazon account to Paribus. And when a price drops, you get the price refund. With Paribus, you get cashback at least 30 online stores. You can file price protection claims yourself and receive the price differences as a refund, although Paribus helps you get free money with minimum effort. 12. Clarity Money. Clarity Money is an app that works similarly to Mint. First, you can hook up your account to the app so that it helps you analyse your spending data. Clarity Money will also make suggestions for how you can save more money, and you can use these suggestions to take action right there within the app. Finally, Clarity Money has an in-app savings account. Your deposits earn over 2% APY. You can also schedule automatic deposits so you can easily save your extra income each month. And Clarity Money is free to use. Rakuten. With Rakuten, you can get up to 40% cashback on nearly any online purchase. Rakuten app offers bonus cashback for selected retailers. You get special in-app bonus cashbacks. Each quarter, Rakuten will send you a check, or you can also get paid PayPal cash or a gift card. As a new Rakuten member, you get $10 bonus cash by making your first $25 purchase. 14. Jobs to Shop. Jobs to Shop will pay you to be a mystery shopper. You're shopping incognito at a store or restaurant. You leave feedback on the Jobs to Shop app. You can also make money with other online activities such as mobile surveys, playing games, shopping online, and redeeming digital coupons. You will get paid in cash, and you will earn $5 as a sign-up bonus. 15. QMe. QMe pays you to search online at your favourite search engines, next to the regular search engine results. QMe shows you products listings that might interest you. With a single search, QMe doubles the results. It's possible to earn bonus points by using QMe in 3 ways: redeeming digital coupons, taking a daily survey, and watching videos. There isn't a minimum payout, so you can request PayPal payments every day if you're an active searcher. 16. App Nana. App Nana will pay you to download and test apps. Since new apps constantly launch, you get paid to be one of the first testers. With App Nana, you find the next best app before it becomes popular. For each test, you earn points that are good for gift cards and game downloads. 17. Music X-Ray. If you enjoy listening to music, you can get paid to listen to new music and rate it at Music X-Ray. During the application process, list your favourite bands to hear new music. Then, Music X-Ray recommends similar songs and bands. This way you can discover new music to add to your playlist. You will earn 10 cents per song that you listen to, plus you can get free gear from bands you follow. 18. Book Scooter. While there are many places to sell used books, Book Scooter is one of the easiest, and you can also sell used textbooks at a good price. First, scan your book's barcode, and at once you get buyback prices from more than 42 vendors. After you finish scanning each book, you pick up the best vendor. Most vendors provide prepaid shipping labels. When they receive your books, they send you PayPal cash within 48 hours. 19. Declutter. Declutter is an app that buys your used DVDs and CDs, books and electronics. Their app scans barcodes so you can sell multiple items quickly. After that, Declutter emails you a prepaid shipping label. You will receive PayPal payments the day after Declutter receives your goods. 20. FOP. FOP is one of the new apps that lets you sell pictures online taken from your phone's camera. The photo selling app works with Apple and Android devices, and you get paid when a company buys one of your photos. Surprisingly, many household brands buy pictures from FOP and use them in their advertising campaign. To start, take pictures of everyday life or your most recent trip. With FOP, there's a chance you could make money. 21. Parking Panda. You might be a landlord and you didn't know it. In brief, you can rent your parking spot with Parking Panda to tourists. If you own a place in a popular area, you could make money from this space. 22. Gift Card Granny. Use Gift Card Granny to sell your unwanted gift cards. To get started, enter the serial number and the gift card balance into the app. Then Gift Card Granny compares the buyback prices for various gift cards marketplaces. Now you choose the best offer and you get paid right away. You can earn as much as 92% of each card you sell. 23. Gigwalk. Gigwalk is an app that pays you to perform tasks around town. As a gig walker, you might be asked to verify prices at local stores. Also, you can take pictures of shelf displays to ensure the product looks appealing. Basically, you are the eyes and ears of national companies. For your effort, you get paid in PayPal cash. At the moment, however, it's only available in large US and Canadian cities. 24. Earn money by playing games on your phone. Instead of wasting time playing games and not being productive, now you can get paid to do it. Getting paid to play games on your phone sounds like a dream. Missed Play really pays you to play those games. You can download it from Google Play Store and start playing free games for cash rewards. 25. Not really a money-making app, but an app to help you save money. That cancels sneaky subscriptions that are draining your bank account. One thing we've found is the easiest way to get more money is simply by saving it. There's lots of apps out there that do this, so find one in your country and start saving. A smartphone has many functions besides texting and browsing social media, so start making money with your phone today. In fact, you can have fun while getting paid. The fact that you can do both at once is why these ideas are so popular. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.